Man-made pollution is one of the most significant challenges facing our planet today. It impacts the environment, human health, and overall quality of life. This documentary explores different types of man-made pollution, including waste disposal and air pollution, and discusses their causes, effects, and potential solutions. Each day, cities around the world generate thousands of tons of waste. With growing populations and limited waste management resources, especially in high density urban areas, garbage often spills into the streets, forming massive piles in neighborhoods and along roadsides. There are different types of man made pollution. First and foremost, we're going to talk about air pollution. First, transportation. Transportation is a leading contributor to air pollution. In cities worldwide, vehicles produce large amounts of carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and other pollutants, creating a hazardous environment for those who live and breathe within them. Second, we're going to talk about water pollution. Water pollution is a crisis that affects every corner of the globe. Every year, millions of tons of the waste are dumped into our rivers, lakes, and oceans, transforming them from a source of life to toxic reservoir.
Plastic waste is perhaps the most visible form of water pollution. Each minute, an estimated truckload of plastic enters our ocean, much of it breaking down into tiny particles that are impossible to fully remove. Marine life suffer tremendously. Fish, turtles, and birds mistaken plastic for food, leading to ingestion and entanglement that can be fatal. Microplastics, now found in nearly every body of water on Earth, have entered the food chain, affecting not only aquatic species but also humans who consume seafood. The consequences are profound. Biodiversity, human health, and economies dependent on fishing and tourism. Protecting our water bodies is essential to ensuring a sustainable future for our planet and all who inhabit it.